Imagine if the moon, our closest neighbor in space, suddenly sped up and hit Earth at the speed of light. What would happen? Let's break it down. First, let's talk about the speed of light. Light travels at around 300,000 kilometers per second. That's fast. So fast that nothing in space, including the moon, moves anywhere near that speed. If the moon were to somehow accelerate to this extreme speed, the results would be beyond catastrophic. The moon is about 3,474 kilometers in diameter, and it's around 380,000 kilometers away from Earth. Normally, the moon orbits peacefully, influencing our tides and keeping our planet stable. But if it suddenly rushed toward us at the speed of light, there would be almost no time to react. In fact, the moon would hit Earth in just over 1 second. So what happens when something that big, moving that fast, crashes into Earth? First, the collision itself would release an unimaginable amount of energy. When two objects collide at the speed of light, the energy is equal to their mass times the speed of light squared. For the moon, this is an insane amount of energy, far more than all the nuclear bombs on Earth combined. This energy would instantly vaporize both the moon and a large part of Earth. The heat and force from the impact would create a massive explosion that would be larger than anything we've ever seen. The blast would tear through Earth's atmosphere, and the shock wave would flatten everything in its path. But that's just the beginning. The impact would likely crack the planet's crust and send molten rock flying into space. Earth's surface would be destroyed, and most of the planet would become a molten wasteland. All oceans would evaporate instantly, and any life that existed would be wiped out. Next comes the fallout. The debris from the impact would shoot out into space, and some of it might form a new ring around Earth, like Saturn's rings. But that wouldn't matter much, since Earth would no longer be able to support life. The atmosphere would likely be stripped away, leaving a dead, scorched planet. To make matters worse, the force of the impact could even knock Earth off its orbit, sending it either closer to the sun, where it would burn up, or farther away, where it would freeze. Either way, life as we know it would be over. So while the moon hitting Earth at the speed of light is impossible, it's clear that if it ever happened, the result would be total destruction. What do you think? Is there any other crazy what-if scenario you'd like to see? Let us know, and we'll explore it in another video.